Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic software testing. So, let's get started. What is the primary purpose of mutation testing in software engineering? The correct answer is option B. To evaluate the quality of a test suite by injecting faults into the code. Which of the following is a non-functional testing type that evaluates how a system performs under a specific expected load for a long period? The correct answer is option C, soak testing. In the context of software testing, what is a test oracle? The correct answer is option C. A mechanism for determining whether a test has passed or failed. Which testing technique is specifically designed to find security vulnerabilities by providing random, malformed, or unexpected data as input? The correct answer is option A, fuzz testing. What is the main difference between smoke testing and sanity testing? The correct answer is option B. Smoke testing checks core functionality. Sanity testing checks narrow, deep functionality after a bug fix. If a system has a cyclomatic complexity of 10, what does this value represent? The correct answer is option B. The number of independent paths through the source code. Which of the following is a characteristic of exploratory testing? The correct answer is option C. Test design and test execution are performed simultaneously. In a V model of software development, which level of testing is typically mapped to the requirements analysis phase? The correct answer is option D, user acceptance testing. Which black box technique is most effective for testing a system with complex business rules and multiple input combinations? The correct answer is option B, decision table testing. What is the primary goal of regression testing? The correct answer is option A. To ensure that new code changes have not adversely affected existing features. In integration testing, what is a stub? The correct answer is option B. A dummy module that simulates the behavior of a low-level component. What is defect density calculated as? The correct answer is option B, total number of defects / size of the software, e.g. STLC. Which testing principle states that testing can show that defects are present, but cannot prove that there are no defects? The correct answer is option D, testing shows presence of defects. Operational acceptance testing, OT, is primarily focused on which of the following? The correct answer is option B, backup / restore procedures, disaster recovery, and maintainability. Which of the following describes static analysis? The correct answer is option C, examining the code or documentation without executing the program. What is the pesticide paradox in software testing? The correct answer is option B. If the same tests are repeated over and over, they will eventually stop finding new bugs. Which metric measures the percentage of code branches that have been executed by a test suite? The correct answer is option B, decision coverage. In an Agile environment, What is test-driven development, TDD? The correct answer is option B, writing a failing test case before writing the actual functional code. What is the primary difference between alpha and beta testing? The correct answer is option B. Alpha is done at the developer site. Beta is done by customers at their own locations. Which document describes the scope, approach, resources, and schedule of intended testing activities? The correct answer is option C, test plan. Which of the following is an example of verification? The correct answer is option B, performing a code walkthrough. What does a traceability matrix help to track? The correct answer is option A, the relationship between requirements and test cases. Which of the following is a key characteristic of monkey testing? The correct answer is option B. Testers provide random inputs to the system to see if it crashes. What is the exit criteria in a testing process? The correct answer is option C, the set of conditions that determine when testing is officially completed. Which of the following levels of testing focuses on the interactions between integrated units/modules? The correct answer is option B, integration testing. A bug leakage occurs when? The correct answer is option A. A bug is found by the customer that should have been found by the testing team. What is the purpose of equivalence partitioning? The correct answer is option B, to divide input data into classes where all elements are expected to be processed the same way. In the context of test automation, what is a test harness? The correct answer is option A, collection of scripts and tools used to execute tests and report results. Which testing type is performed to ensure the software can be moved from one environment to another, e.g., from Windows to Linux? The correct answer is option B, portability testing. What is sanity testing typically a subset of? The correct answer is option B, regression testing. Thank you for watching.